No one should have to make temporary living arrangements when selling their home and buying their next one. If you'd love to upgrade your home here in the Triangle, but feel held back because of how competitive the buying market is, we understand, and this video is for you. Buying and simultaneously selling a home is complex, but if you have a good plan right from the beginning, you can simplify the process and get that new home you've been dreaming of with less stress than other folks. This video covers the steps to best prepare you to have your existing home go under contract and close on the same timeline as your purchase. Expectations are, if your home is ready to sell, then the big challenge is getting an offer accepted on the new home you intend to buy. The key timing issue when you are doing a buy and sell in a hot market is preparing your home for sale. The reason for that is, if your home is prepped, it can go under contract fast and close in the same time frame as your purchase. So having your home ready to sell is crucial, because when the perfect home for you becomes available to buy, you'll have to act promptly and won't have time at that point to get your existing home ready to sell. We want the timing of your two closings within days, if not hours of each other, so you don't find yourself asking friends, family, or going to a hotel, a motel, or a Holiday Inn. You can just go and enjoy your new home. So stay tuned for this video, where you'll get to see our plan to help you stay in control of the timeline so you don't end up regretting a single step in your move, and you can get to your new home with way less stress. Hey everyone, I'm John Gallagher with Keller Williams here in Raleigh. Don't wait till the last minute to plan your move. Start consulting with us right away by clicking to our website and hitting the Get Started button. We make it simple. It takes less than 35 seconds to sign up, so even if you aren't prepared to talk right now, you'll still be able to get in touch with us in the future. And now, let's jump into the tips and strategies to nail the timing of your two closings. The first thing we recommend doing is the most time-consuming, so we have to start it first. Ideally, your home should be show-ready compared to the homes you want to compete with. We suggest you increase your bottom line by making what we call 2-for-1 repairs and improvements. These are improvements you make before you list that will get you $2 for every dollar you spend. Not every home needs 2-for-1 improvements, and in many cases, your home may already be show-ready. If your home is one of the best looking among comparables, you can likewise expect to get a premium paying buyer who isn't concerned about repairs, so your sale can go through faster and with less hurdles. And since every home sale is unique, the way we find repairs and upgrades that are getting you $2 for every dollar you spend is by reviewing the top 20% highest and 20% lowest sales among recent comparable sold homes. You'll be able to spot the features in the top 20% that are common among homes like yours that are driving the price up, and it may surprise you what buyers are paying a premium for. And on the flip side, you'll find the homes in the bottom 20% won't have those same features. Doing this analysis will give you certainty regarding the features buyers are paying a premium for on a home like yours right now. Now, in North Carolina, your home is sold as is, so you don't have to make any repairs or provide the buyer with financial concessions after the inspection. That means you get to keep the due diligence check the moment your prospective buyer signs it, unless your agreement states otherwise or you can't convey clean title. So you have quite a bit of leverage in the negotiation, because if, for example, someone signs a $20,000 due diligence check to you, they're not going to want to walk away from the deal and lose that money over a dispute on a $1,500 repair. Likewise, though, you probably don't want your purchase to fall through either, even if someone gave you $20,000. So make certain you attract a great buyer by getting your home show ready, and increase your bottom line by prepping your home with the features the best quality buyers are paying premium prices for. You can even tell by recent sales that homes with the best features are selling faster than those without. So it's not just us making things up. We can certainly show you the data to support this assertion. And if you don't want to use liquid cash to fund your repairs, you can use a home equity line of credit, a HELOC. A HELOC is a loan borrowed against the equity in your home that you can use to fund repairs and renovations before you sell and pay it off after the close. So to summarize this step, analyze the highest 20% priced homes and the lowest 20% priced to see what features buyers are paying a premium for in a home like yours. We do this analysis when we work with you, so remember to click in the description to our website and hit the Get Started button. Now, on to the next tip. Find out what you want in your next home and get pre-approved. As you're getting your home ready for sale, you'll want to get clear on the features and the location you want in your next home and see how much homes like that are selling for. And as you know, most homes are being sold over their list price. So checking the list price on Zillow doesn't reflect the true sales price of the home you want. The list price is no secret, and many buyers don't do enough research on the exact sale price of recent comparables, which is a far better indicator of how much you should be bidding. So as you're getting familiar with the range of price you could be paying for a home, you'll want to get pre-approved by a local lender for that amount. A pre-approval is essential in this market, so make sure you aren't just pre-qualified, you're also fully pre-approved by a reputable local lender who will let you know exactly how much you'll need to bring to the closing table and how much your monthly payment will be. Now, we recommend a local lender as opposed to an out-of-state one because local lenders tend to use local appraisers who will give them a more accurate valuation of the home you're planning on buying. Okay, let's summarize again where we're at. You'll know what, if any, improvements you need to make. You've narrowed down the exact features and location of the home you want to purchase. You understand the range and price you'll be paying for a home like the one you want, and you've gotten pre-approved for that figure. And now on to the next step, making offers. Competing buyers are snapping up homes fast. And one tool, believe it or not, to make certain that you can respond fast yourself and stay focused on the homes with the features you want is using a checklist. We've all finished shopping at a grocery store and realize we forgot something after we checked out. But that doesn't happen very often when you use a grocery list. You can get a copy of our checklist of features you may want in your next home. We prepped it in a Google form. You can download it for free. No contact information required. It's on our website and the link is in the description. We know if you get in a multiple offer situation, it's intense. And there isn't a lot of time to decide if a home you think may be right is actually going to be perfect for you. And that time crunch can cause you to forget something you or someone in your household really wants in your new home. Your checklist will help you stay level-headed and in control, even during the most stressful part of the home buying process, making an offer. Many buyers are making a lot of offers before they're able to get a home. Is that just bad luck? Or are they figuring out how things work and improving their approach? It seems to us the winner in most competitive situations is the one who's best prepared. We help you prepare by making it easy for you to know how much you'll need to bid to be competitive, as well as preparing you to get your offer accepted fast. This includes things like checking recently sold comparable homes so you can know how much to bid and also how much due diligence to offer. And that's just the start of how we prepare you to become a strong buyer as soon as you're ready to start making offers. So make sure you contact us early in your moving process because the sooner you start, the better you'll be prepared. Once you have your offer accepted, now it's time to list your home. The average days on market for a home in the Triangle is just 2 days right now. So at this point, your next home has its closing date scheduled and your current home is ready to sell quickly since you made any necessary improvements to get it ready to sell. Now it's just a matter of putting the home on the market and selecting your best buyer. And just like how we recommend you propose a strong due diligence and accommodate the seller when you're purchasing, we also recommend picking a buyer that does the same for you. In addition, we believe a key indicator you have a good buyer is their desire to buy your specific home or their motivation to buy your home. If one buyer wants your home because their best friend lives down the street, and your other buyer just wants your home because it's within 10 minutes of their work, well, all other things being equal, the first buyer would be more appealing because there are fewer homes available close to their best friend than there are homes available within a 10-minute drive of their workplace. So gauge your prospective buyer's level of motivation to buy your specific home and not just any other, because you'll find they're more likely to accommodate you throughout the negotiation. Also, make sure you're subscribed, and if our plan helped you, be sure to thumbs up and comment on the issues that you're having as an owner who plans to sell and buy. Also, if you have a video idea you'd like us to shoot, comment that as well. You still there? Since you stayed that long, we also have a bonus tip for you. List your home on Thursday. Zillow has studied this and shown that the best day of the week to list is Thursday. And owners who do list on Thursday see an increase in sale price and closing timeline. There's your bonus. Thanks for staying till the end. If you're ready to get started, we'd love to hear from you. So click in the description and hit the blue Get Started button on our website. Thanks again, and get ready to sell your home in the Triangle like a pro.